this channel right here, and this one 30, and lastly this one will have the same thing in common. And you might be saying, what is it? They are all telling stories. And what kind of stories are they telling? They are telling stories about humanity. If I zoom this in, you can see here it says man getting arrested by detectives for impersonating. Woman finds difficulties with large turkeys. So you can see here they're basically telling you stories of humans, real life stories, stories about crimes, stories about things that happened in the past, stories that are kind of weird, stories bordering on things like science, animals, technology, and what have you. Okay, so you might be saying, why am I telling you this? Well, I'm telling you this because this is a real business. Okay, and in 2022 you might want to start something that could change your financial story. To prove to you that this is really business, if you come over here on Social Blade, you can see that Creeper World makes anywhere from $175 to $2,000 on a monthly basis, and anywhere from $2,000 to $33,000 on a yearly basis. And he got close to 1 million views in the last 30 days. And if we also look at extreme trends on Social Blade, we can also see that that channel gets anywhere from $602 to $9,000 on a monthly basis, and anywhere from $7,000 to over $100,000 on a yearly basis. This is a lot of money. And as you can see here, you got over 2 million views in the past 30 days. Now, if this is not business, tell me what else is. And lastly, if we take a look at 30 on Social Blade, we can see that this channel makes anywhere from $4,000 to $67,000 on a monthly basis, and $50,000 to almost $1 million on a yearly basis. Now, if this is not life-changing, I don't know what else is life-changing. Now, we've got a lot of methods on YouTube on how to make money, but I want to tell you the surest method you could start right now is to have a YouTube channel. Okay, if you're not thinking of owning a YouTube channel now, these income earnings should be quite encouraging enough to push you to action. Now, the next question is, where are they getting these stories? For example, you can see this person just posted this video 19 hours ago. Man getting arrested by detectives for impersonating. Where are they getting these stories? How are they turning them into videos? Okay, so let's jump right into the next step. So basically, they're getting these stories from Google. All you have to do is to go to Google and search something like humanity real stories. Okay, and you're gonna see a lot of results on Google first page. Okay, so all you have to do is to go through these stories and then pick the one that appeals to you, and then make a video about the story. You can search something like real stories on Google search, and Google is going to automatically suggest more keywords for you. Okay, and to kind of find out more keywords, you could actually kind of hit the space bar and type in something like a letter B. Boom. When you do that, Google is going to give you another bunch of keywords like real story books, real stories behind Disney movies, real story based movies. So you're going to kind of pick the ones that are relevant to what you want to do. You could also kind of hit the letter C, and boom, you're gonna have another set of suggested keywords. You can see restory crimes, restory channel, restories COVID vaccine, and more. Okay, now if you also want to know more things, you could actually search to have access to more interesting stories on this niche. You could actually use this keyword. I have it installed on my mobile device. As you already know, if you are subscribed to the channel, I do most of my videos on my mobile device so that you don't have any excuse. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got this extension here, keywords everywhere tool. Okay, so you have to have this keyword installed here. All you need to do is to search this on Google. You're gonna see where it says add to Chrome, and then you add it's going to be here. So what that does is that when you search something like humanity real stories, like we have it here, then it's going to suggest other keywords. Okay, you could actually search. As you can see here, we've got heart-touching stories on humanity, heartwarming stories that make you cry. So you can see a bunch of other suggested keywords you can also search, and that way you'll be able to see a lot of stories that you could actually use for your videos. Okay, so once you have your stories, so this is how you find your stories. Once you have your stories, the question now is, what's next? What is the next thing to do with these stories? So once you've picked a story that you like, a story that appeals to you, a story that kind of defines what your channel is all about. Okay, so the next thing would be to use Google Docs to kind of write the story. As you can see here on my Google Doc, I kind of copied a story from somewhere on the web, and then I have it here on my Google Doc. So right here, you'll be able to look at the story, kind of rewrite it if you want to, edit it to your taste. And once you have all the details you need, the next thing would be to turn this script into an audio. So one way to do this is to turn on the recorder on your mobile device and kind of read this thing while you record your voice. And that's one way you could do it. Another way you could do it is to use voiceover softwares that will provide you voiceover artists that can actually read this thing for you. Okay, but this method could cost you a few bucks. So if you don't want to use your voice, one thing you can do is to come over to your Google Docs and copy the story bit by bit like this. Hit the copy button, and then that's going to be copied. And then you could come over to this software here, which is going to help you turn the script into an audio. You just paste what you copied, and boom, your story is going to be pasted. So once your story is pasted, all you have to do is to hit the create button, and once you hit the create button, it's going to turn the script into an audio. And then as you can see, it's going to show here, you can see some of the things I already created in the past. So once you have it in this form, the next thing would be to kind of hit the button here where it says download, and boom, it shows you this. The next thing would be to hit the download button, and then you have it downloaded into your mobile device. Okay, so this is one way you can do this. So you might be saying, what software is this? Well, as you can see here, the software is wellsaidlabs.com. It is my favorite software for turning text into speech. Okay, but you can actually go to Google and search something like free TTS software. Okay, and Google is going to display a bunch of results for you. So you might want to carefully study these softwares. Each of them is going to help you turn the text into speech. Okay, so these are some of the softwares you can actually see on Google for free. And then once you have your audio, the next thing would be to turn the audio into a video by matching the audios or synchronizing your audio with pictures and videos. Okay, so video clips, exactly. So you might be saying, so where am I going to get the video clips and the pictures? You might want to go to Google to search Pixabay. This is a website that offers you free video clips and a lot of free images that you can actually use for your video. Okay, so on this website, you will definitely get what you need. Another website is which is actually going to give you a lot of video clips and a lot of pictures you can use for your videos. And now you have your video, you have your audio. The next thing is to go to Play Store and download Power Director. Power Director is a video edited app. You can download it on your mobile. You can also download it on your computer and other gadgets. Okay, so if you don't know how to use Power Director, you can actually search that on YouTube. You're going to see a ton of videos showing you how to use Power Director, or you can simply watch the video linked in the description that is going to show you how I use Power Director to edit videos. But one problem with this is that this is gonna take you time. Okay, if you don't have time, you might not be able to do this. Okay, so but if you want to automate the process, all you have to do is to use this video editing software here, invideo. So all you have to do is to come here. You can see they've got the free plan which you can actually use. Okay, and then they've got this business plan which you have to pay $15 per month. And right now, if you use my link, which is an affiliate link in the description of this video, you're gonna get a 40% off. Okay, if you don't know how to use this to kind of edit the video, create the video, combine those pictures and the audio I talked about, I have a video linked in the description that is going to show you how to do that. So this is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have any question, ask them in the comment section and I will respond swiftly. This is Big Zell Bees and it's your guy Ken signing out.